When we visited my parents last, my dad discussed the idea of purchasing a fifth wheel or some sort of travel trailer so he and my mom could go visit my sisters.
We were totally on board with that idea. We said that we would be happy to renovate it for them. And finally, we got the call.
We got the call.
Thank you, we so appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's got quite a bit of work to do, but it's going to be a good challenge, honestly.
Yeah, it'll be fun. It's actually a really neat layout, so it has a lot of holes. Hopefully there's no rainstorms soon because we got to get dirt plugged up.
Yes.
Can I get your order, please?
In Building with Earth Bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be part of our family and for this week's adventure. When you get something new, even if it's not technically yours, it's so fun to show it off.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh, it's got a rack up above too. Little duct tape. You know.
Bryson, mom, and dad came out to check it out. And it's just fun to get excited over a new project around here.
Oh my gosh, this is cute.
Very
You can stand up nice in it.
Nice.
Oh, this is cute.
It's got like a little loft on there.
They're gonna like this.
That's cool.
Ooh, that's a pretty big fridge for here. Oh, and a shower and a...
No closet, but I'm always
no
like,
closet,
oh, that's fine.
Oh, the shower's connected to the sink.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, this is gonna be
Antique
fun to
look,
doll up.
I think so too. We gotta get like new skylights in here. It's definitely,
We gotta get-
I mean, it's old, so.
Yeah, we gotta get
got a
three.
cute
That one's
layout
right here.
entirely missing. It's
Is that what this
bed
is?
cover.
Okay, yeah.
Jared's dad, Tim, he's a very thrifty guy. He likes to research stuff and find deals. And he did. He found a great deal.
Bullet's already.
Bullet, you like it?
Yeah, he likes
You
it.
like it, Bullet?
He likes it. I love the back window. That's awesome.
And there's a lot of really cool windows in
My
here.
dad has a smaller truck, so he was looking for a small trailer, and this thing's tiny.
Yeah, which is really fun.
This is extremely workable.
I agree.
Workable. Very workable. Really, it's not. This one here could be fixed up.
And also, your parents
Yeah.
were willing to get on video chat, let us record them, which bless their heart they let us do. Yeah, we don't have any audio from that conversation because we're not as savvy as we look. We were able to show it off on camera, which was really fun as well.
The thing that's most important with this trailer is getting the roof sealed.
What are we doing?
Getting set up to get those guys in and out and such. First thing first, we had to go and collect the items we need, the skylights, as well as our roofing material. Might be able to just pull this thing right out.
There's a way to use your head, Jared. That's an old man joke.
That is a very old man joke. Oh, gotta do this as well. Wait, what am I doing? I don't need to do this one.
Seriously?
Yeah. This is when I need to replace the cover on, but all this stuff is actually pretty good.
Well, I actually want to paint that. So
it's perfect.
It's
perfect. See, I knew there was a plan.
Yeah, you did it on purpose. It wasn't completely on accident. What do you mean? Oh my goodness, it just comes right out.
Yeah.
That's what I want to paint.
Oh, I was having some trouble figuring out where to start with pulling out these skylights and which ones needed to be fully pulled out and which ones just needed a cover replaced. So, easiest way, instead of carrying everything up.
Nice, the tall man. Says casually the tall man.
It says casually the tall man, but the roof is literally here. I ended up deciding to go with the one over the bed area, which is to the front of the trailer.
If you've been with us a while, you know that I like to start in the very smack dab middle of a project, so I had gone right for the middle. But Jared, you're very logical in where you chose to begin. I approve.
It's gonna be hot. It's a aluminum roof, so...
Good luck.
Replace that one, this one, I have to fully replace those two, and then this one is just the cover. So that's what I'm working with. All right, so that took a bit. Still not completely done, but now the next step is getting all those screws undrilled. See how that goes. Hopefully it's... Oh yeah, nice and easy there. There it is. Now I just gotta clean this up and then pop on the new one. Watch out for the sharp edges.
What a skylight, huh?
So now it's just getting this a little bit more cleaned up, and then gotta get that OxyClean and clean this up, and then we can put the other one on.
Very cool.
Yes.
You're doing great, baby.
Thank you. One of the unique things about this trailer is its size, actually. It's very uncommon to find a fifth wheel only 17 feet long and with a single axle. Bree just got me this soap. It's just I was looking, you can't use anything that leaves like a film, and I don't think this does, so. They're very uncommon to find those these days, and especially for the price that my dad was able to pick it up for. Time to get the butyl tape along this edge, and then get it on, and something my dad's been looking for a long time.
Yeah, I know when we were looking, we were so excited to find a 27-foot trailer. We were like, oh my goodness.
And final step. Yeah.
And so to get it to the price point and the size, you just could not ask for better.
Yes.
It's totally worth renovating and breathing new life back into it for sure.
Oh, here it is. You want to go inside, Bree, and turn the knob? I think I picked... Oh, here it comes. It's a hand. It's a Bree.
You did a really good job, sweetie. It looks good.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I picked the hardest one to do first.
Well, that's good. Put that one away.
All right, now on to the second job. This guy here.
This RV is from the 80s, which is not a long time ago. Obviously, it's only 40 years ago, so that's not a long time. But for RVs, that is a pretty long time.
Just moving this around, and it just... a little bit dry rotted.
You can tell that the RV has been in the desert most of its life, which is super good news for the very bottom of the RV. But for the top of the RV, it means that the sun has absolutely cooked the snot out of it.
But now that'll make it easy. These are coming up really easy.
So a lot of things are really brittle, and it definitely needs to be addressed, which I know we say, obviously that's where we're starting, but that is one of the reasons why.
Yeah. All right, there it is. Second one down. And now, that's to replace this cover here. When Bree and I got married, my parents gave us their truck as a wedding gift, and that enabled us to purchase our own RV and to go traveling and do what we wanted to do. This opportunity to renovate this fifth wheel is such a cool opportunity to give back to them.
Yeah, it's kind of like they helped us get out there on the road, and it's kind of fun that we get to give back, and it kind of ends up doing the same thing for them, you know? So we're pretty excited to have that opportunity. We're very glad they feel comfortable enough for us to get in there and do something. Obviously, they'll be making the choices on everything in there, but they trust us to do the work, which is awesome.
And here it is, the new cover on it, and it all works and everything. So my dad wanted this removed and this antenna removed, so I'm going to tackle those next. Took some cleaning, but left with the hole for that. But the antennas on those things are just so not used anymore. Things like Wi-Fi and everything like that. So he requested me to pull that thing out, and it left a significant hole. I ended up needing to patch that hole with other aluminum sheeting that we had, and any other little holes that I can find with extra pieces of sheet metal, as well as the roof trim seal that we got. Right, back up on this roof again, but now it's time for putting the actual roofing on.
Leaks in these RVs can be absolutely disastrous. If you're an RV owner, you know that. It's super important to stay up on your roof. So Jared was very careful and made sure to do it up right. All the little holes, which we'll know when there's a rainstorm at some point in the far or near future. It's the desert, heaven knows, but we'll see how well that did. I'm sure it'll be perfect. You worked really hard. You took it slow. It looks great.
Thank you. The whole process of doing the roofing was kind of daunting to me. I've never tackled that before and never tackled any of that before, but fortunately YouTube's a thing. I was able to get it done and I feel like I did a really good job. We'll see when the rains come though.
Yeah, he did a fabulous job. It's amazing how like the before and afters of it, it looks like such a clean professional roof now, especially with the new skylights and everything. Really excited about that. I know we don't really look on the roof, but if you did, it would be glorious. Now that the roof is complete, we are now going to wait for Jared's parents to come in, check it out, figure out what they want, get a feel for the RV, and then we'll be cracking into actually renovating the inside and hopefully the outside with some paint and stuff. We're gonna try to talk them into that. So pretty exciting. Well, I think that is going to wrap it up for us today. We really appreciate you being with us. The t-shirt design of the week is RV There Yet, which we felt was very fitting. Been with us. This is a design that we've had for a while in the shop, but we still love it. So if you'd like to check that out, as well as all of our other designs that we have in shop, the link will be down in the description. Also, St. Patty's Day is on the horizon, so if you're wanting to get something brand new, crispy, and green, there is a lot of great stuff in the shop for that. We really appreciate you being with us, and we look forward to hanging out with you on Monday for our podcast.
Bye.
Thank you.
Right. Bree got me a towel. There she is. Wave, baby. Oh no. Sorry. I slipped down.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
Is that your spot, Bullet? Did you pick your favorite spot out of all the spots? Huh? Do you think we're going somewhere?
I think he thinks we're going somewhere. Come on, Bullet, we're not going anywhere.
Come Come on, Goober.
Come on.
Scoober Goober Doo.